This is Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. Quick video here on a gold stock, GFI, and this is yesterday's chart for September 4th as we open the trading for September 5th. We can see that gold is trading slightly lower. Let's call it, sizable drop, about 1% for the day lower. And this is yesterday's chart for GFI, and when I saved it, I want to show you what I was looking at. Two lines, and the line number one is this break point here, and this is the all-time monthly chart. We have a trend break here in 2006, which gave us this break point coming off the all-time highs. And of course, you can see this is now giving us the red uniformity line, where we have the stocks been struggling for a long time. Again, going back to 06. So we're talking about 13 years of resistance around here. And over the last couple of months, we've tagged this twice. And we seem to be showing resistance on that red horizontal uniformity line. And like I said, there's another line also, which is giving us the same type of information. It is this line here. And this line is the line that connects this break point here in 2013. Uniform activity rejection here for the highs there in 2016. And here we can see it's already formed a double top. So it looks like the monthly charts are suggesting that unless we can clear these two lines, chances are this stock is going to start struggling from current levels. And we can see that if I update this, I would speculate that it's lower. Yeah, so it continues to confirm the two lines on a monthly chart. So line number one right there, you can see that double top. And as I say, we can also see the backtest line going back to the lows of 09. And even this blue line is giving us a double top rejection. Eric Muathe from Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.